say there is this company A. It is a construction company hoy. So construction koribole ki dorkar hoy raw materials like steel. So a company to company B pora steel kinile ha which is a steel manufacturing company. So kiman rupees or steel kinile of 100 rupees. But then what? Company A is currently not in a situation to pay back 100 rupees instantly. So company A B ki koi? So look, I am writing this paper where I put my signature and I promise that I will pay you rupees 100. Along with that, I will also pay you a rupees 10 as interest. A particular papers bilagok commercial bills bili koi. In a particular papers bilak into short term or karne hoy. Short term mane ki less than 1 year. And that is why ebilak ami money market or instrument buliu consider koro. It ঠিক আছে a particular jonto commercial bill hoy etu company B logot ase. But then this is just a paper, it is not cash. So company B kudu ketiaba cash laga hoi jabo pare na. So hetu khetrot ki hoy, company B goes to a particular bank and says that look, I have someone who has promised to pay me rupees 110 at the end of the year, but then currently muk pay kora nai, but I need some amount of money. That is why you keep this paper, you collect the money, but give me a certain amount of money in exchange right now. The bank to koi say okay, look bank to profit koribo karne ase, so gute 110 rupees to di ni die. So bank e kobo thik ase 110 rupees or commercial bill hoy na, we will pay you 100. Mane ki kore 10 rupees discount price eta tahatok di die. Eto eta discount rate buli koi je 10 rupees eta rakhilu. Okay, now এটা ব্যাংকৰ লগত হে কমাৰ্শিয়াল বিলটো আহি গল again ব্যাংককো ধৰক লিকুইডিটি দৰকাৰ হল এটা ব্যাংকে কাৰ্ডত যাব bank goes to RBI গৈ ফলে কয় look keep this commercial bill and give us some cash the RBI কি কয় okay তাহাতে কয় যে গুটেখিনি পইচাটো নাপাও we will give you a certain amount তো আকো কি হয় আকো RBI ও হে সেম বস্তুটো ডিসকাউন্ট কৰি দিয়ে the second time it is done so it is known as rediscounting আৰু RBI কোনটো ৰেটত ডিসকাউন্ট কৰে that is known as the bank rate. Essentially ki hoye ase essentially bank company B is giving the commercial bill and getting a loan. Similarly bank is returning that commercial bill to RBI and RBI is giving a loan kiman interest rate ot di ase interest rate to no he rediscount rate buli koy aru he rediscount rate to bank rate buli koy. So jodi bank rate to high hoy mane ki hoy loan to elop expensive hoy jabo aru bank rate to jodi low hoy tente ki hobo cheap hoi jabo. So yate ki koise bank rate to jodi increase hole ki hobo first option ki koise market rate of interest is likely to fall. Look market rate of interest mane ki bank e dia interest rate to bank e nije dia interest rate to komibo boli koise ha but then jod bank e jodi nije expensive loan loi ase will it give a cheap loan? No, therefore it option katilu. Now central bank is no longer making loans to commercial banks, but this is not the case. They are making making loans, but then at a higher rate. Similarly, option C jodi samami ki hobo central bank is following an easy money policy. Look, easy money policy mane ki liquidity to easily access koribo parise, but bank rate barha mane ki easily access koribo para nai. They have to pay more. Therefore eto no hoy answer to ki hoy instead it is a tight money policy kyo easily jate access koribo nware he karone they are raising the bank rate. So the correct answer here is option D.